Hello, Super Writers. Our target skill for today is I can choose a topic and plan a personal narrative. Now that we have used the video on the slide before to review how to plan a personal narrative, it is your turn. Your planning sheet looks like this: planning my sentences. On the line, you will put your topic. To help you pick a topic, we can use this choice board. The choices are: write about a time when you got hurt. Write about a time when you were sick. Write about a time you helped someone with something. Maybe mom, dad, brother, sister. Maybe you helped a stranger. Write about a vacation you went on. Write about a fun party you went to. Write about the best day you had in school. Write about the day you got your pet. Write about your best birthday. Write about a fun day you had with a friend. These are some ideas to help you decide what you would like to write about. Choose one idea and tell me your topic. If you choose to write about a vacation you went on, you can write it on the line, my vacation, and then plan the details of your story. What happened first? What happened second? What happened last? Have fun, Super Writers. I'll see you tomorrow.